What is the New York State Insurance Fund? Good question. Let's answer it. Hi, Ryan Hanley here, founder of Rogue Risk, where we do insurance differently, specifically by giving you knowledge and information to make the right insurance decision. So, simply put, the New York State Insurance Fund is a government-run insurance carrier that competes with private insurance carriers. It primarily writes workers' comp, disability, and now paid family medical leave benefits. And for the most part, it's a well-run organization and provides a perfectly fine product. So if you are considering the New York State Insurance Fund, don't be concerned in any regard. They have a lot of good people that work there, and truthfully, over the last 10 years, they have taken the organization from being very difficult to deal with, and they've made some drastic improvements. Now, I won't say that the State Fund is perfect or that I ever believe it is the best option if there is another option available. So as a market of last resort, I do think the State Fund is a pretty incredible provider, knowing what other states' government-run insurance carriers look like. New York's is actually fairly well run and has a good product, so don't be concerned there. However, if you have another option, if someone like a Pie Insurance or an AmTrust or a Hanover or Chubb or Guard or an Employers, if one of the carriers in New York State, the private-run carriers that has standalone or specific workers' compensation products that work for your business, I highly recommend you at least consider them. One of the big features is pay as you go. Another one is that inside of those programs, a lot of times there are a tremendous number of discounts that you can qualify for either in your first year working with them, or when you go to renew the second year with that carrier, you can actually submit documentation, manuals, processes, and apply for significant discounts to the policy. And the third reason is if you're working with one of those carriers, then you're also working with an independent agent who can walk you through the process and make sure that you're not making mistakes, who can set you up, who can put you on a process and a program to keep your premiums as low as possible. And the truth is, guys, even though oftentimes it sounds like, oh, an agent, that means I'm paying more, simply not the case. So that's what we do here at Rogue Risk. That's why we're making this video. We have a program called Rogue Risk 365 where we help business owners with their workers' comp get that premium as low as possible. And truthfully, guys, the lower I get your premiums, the less money my company makes. But the truth is, I don't want you for 1 year. I want you for 20 years to be my client. That's what we're trying to do here. So if that sounds like the kind of relationship that you would like, give us a call, 518-960-6600. You can also text that number. You can visit us online at roguerisk.com, or I'm sure there's a button or a link somewhere around this video that will allow you to contact us. Whichever way you choose, we look forward to working with you.